Welcome to another PRReach.com video news release. In today's news, IT department at Asher College now offering free computer repair in Dallas. The Information Technology IT department at Asher College recently announced that they will be holding an ongoing weekly PC repair clinic at their new Dallas campus to provide computer repair services to the Dallas community. The PC Repair Clinic at Asher College's Dallas campus is a free service that is open to the public in and around Dallas, Texas. Through the PC Repair Clinic, members of the local community may make an appointment to drop off their broken or malfunctioning computers at Asher College. The PC Clinic offers free repair, virus removal, installations, and maintenance by current Asher IT students, while under the supervision of professional instructors. Asher's PC Repair Clinic is valuable for students and the public alike. The clinic allows Asher's IT students to use important skills and get real-world, hands-on experience in their field while under the direct supervision of an instructor. As a result, the students are better prepared to pursue their careers in the field with resume-building experience. At the same time, it is also an excellent resource for people in the Dallas area who need help getting their computers fixed. According to campus director Josh Paulson, as the IT population at Asher continues to grow, the needs for more hands-on opportunities increases. We are happy to be in a position where our students have the chance to give back to their community while sharpening their skills and gaining confidence in their new careers. This is a win-win situation for both Asher College IT students and members of the community. To schedule an appointment with the PC Repair Clinic at Asher College in Dallas, call 972-600-2818. Computers are accepted for drop-off every Tuesday and Thursday from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. and computer pickups are scheduled by an appointment. To learn more about this video news release, visit PRReach.com.